class. Today we are going to solving the problem related to Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So exercise number 4.3, question number 1. The question is, a man goes 18 meter due east. Okay. If you consider this is the position of the man. He goes 18 meter due east. Towards east. Okay. 18 meter. And then 24 meter due north. From here, this is 24 meter. Find the distance of his current position. You know this is the current position. You may take the initial position of the man is A and the current position, which means ending position is B. So if you join them, you can get a right triangle. It is 90 degree. Okay. The question is, find the distance of his current position from the starting point. This is the starting point. This is the current position. So if you are going to find the distance, means you should find the distance between A to B. This is the shortest distance. This is the shortest distance. You know very well. From here, first step, he walks towards east, then east to north. So if we want to find the distance, so if you take this is C means first A to C, then C to D means 24 plus 18. What is the value of 24? 32, 40, 52. Okay. Actually, it is the longest path. The distance is too long. If you find A to B means it is the shortest way. Okay. So we are going to find the distance between A to B. In the right angle triangle, angle C is 90 degree means this is the hypotenuse, you know very well. So by using Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse, you know AB is the hypotenuse. So square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. So AC square plus BC square. So AC length 18 square plus 24 square. 18 square value 324 plus 24 square 576. If you add them, you can get 900. 6 plus 4, 10, remaining 1. Again 10, remaining 1. 5 plus 3, 8, 9. So AB square is equal to 900. So AB is equal to, a man can see, or there are two paths. First path A to C. Okay. Then another one A to B, then B to C. The question is, how much shorter is the direct path along C using the given figure. Actually, A to C is the shortest path between A to C. Actually, James and Saraswat you know very well. In last problem we have discussed. So first step, I am going to find the A to C distance. It is the right triangle. Angle B is 90 degree. So the hypotenuse square. The hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides, AB square plus BC square. A to B distance is 2 miles, so 2 square plus this one 1.5. Okay, so 2 square value 4 plus 1.5 square value 2.25. Which is equal to 6.25. This is AC square. AC square is equal to 6.25. So AC is equal to 2.5 miles. A to C distance is 2.5 miles. Okay, if one select this way, A street and then B street means the total distance he traveled is 2 plus 1.5. 2 plus 1.5. So if one choose A street and then B street, he traveled this 2 plus 1.5. So 3.5. 2 plus 1.5 is equal to 3.5 minus. Okay. If one choose along, the question is along the path C, it means that distance traveled is only 2.5 miles. So how much shorter? The question is how much shorter is the direct path along C? The difference is 3.5 minus 2.5, that is 1. So the direct path is shorter by 1 mile. I hope you understand. Listen once again. In the given diagram, this is the Sarah's house, this is James' house. They asked to find the difference when a person can choose the way A to C, then another one first A street and then B street. Okay, the difference. First A street means if he walks along A to C means 2.5 miles. It is the direct path. Okay, if we select A street and then B street means he wants to travel 3.5 miles. The difference is 3.5 minus 2.5 is equal to 1 mile. This is the answer. Exercise number 4.3, question number 3. The question is to get from point A to B. To get from point A to B, you must avoid walking through a pond. You must avoid walking through a pond. You must walk 34 meters south. This is the present position or initial position. Must walk due north. Okay, sorry, due south. That is 34 meter and 44 meter east from here. This is 41 meter. 41 meter. To the nearest meter, how many meters would be saved if it were possible to make a way through the pond? Actually, if he walks along the diagonal, which means along the hypotenuse path, means how much kilometers can save? This is the question. Here also we are going to find the difference. So A, this is B. If he walks along the path A to B means how much will be saved? This is the question. You can take this as C. So now the same concept by using Pythagoras theorem. AB square means this is 90 degrees, this is hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. So AC square plus BC square. So AC is 34 whole square plus BC is 41 square. Okay. 34 square plus 41 square. 34 square value is 1156 plus 41 square value is 1000 681. If you add them, 6 plus 1, 7, 8 plus 5, 13, remaining 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 1 plus 1, 2, 2837. This is AB square. AB square is equal to 2837. What is the value of AB? So now we are going to find the square root of 2837. It is not a perfect square number. So by using long division method, 2837. Okay. By using long division method, you know very well. From right to left, two places. So first here we can take these two digits, 28. This is not a perfect square number. Now we are going to find a perfect square number which is less than 28. Which is less than 28 means 4 square 16 and 5 square 25. So 5 here, 5 here also 5. So 25 is the lesser number. The next one means 6 square, that is greater than 28. Okay, so we should not take that. So I take 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. Okay, next it should be multiplied by 2. Here we subtract, you know very well. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Next two places. I multiplied by 2. So if you multiply by 2 means it becomes 10. So now I am going to replace one number here. Because if you assign 3 means 3 into, here you assign 3. So 103 into 3 is equal to 309. Okay, so we may assign that. So here also. So 3 into this 309 which is less than 337, you know very well. If you assign 4 means 104 into 4. 4 4s are 16. So it is 316. So if you assign 4 means it gives 416, which is greater than the number 337. So we consider 3. 103 into 3 equal to 309. Okay. So 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Here 2. 28. This unit place should be multiplied by 2. Always. Here this is the unit place. I multiplied by 2. In this case, this is the unit place. It will be multiplied by 2 means 106. So here 28. So if you assign any value, if you assign first 1 means, if you assign 1 means it is greater than this number. Therefore, we place point. So now here we add 2 zeros. We add 2 zeros because this is square root. So always we take 2 places. So we add 2 zeros. So here we can take 2. 1062 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 12 remaining 1 2. 2 1 2 4. Okay. So we can take 2 here as well as 2 1 2 4. I think it is enough. After decimal, 1 place is enough. 53.2. So the distance from A to B is 53.2. 53.2 meter. If you add this and this, 34 plus 41, what do we get? The difference between this A to B, shortest path, and this path A to C and then C to B is 75 minus 53.2 is equal to 21.2. So to the nearest, one can say 21.2 meter. 21.2 meter. It is approximate value. Okay. This integral part is exactly correct. 21. After that, the decimal part, I have taken only 1 place here. If you take 1 more means it will be changed, but the integral part is correct. Okay. So he must walk through this way, through this path. A to B means it is the shortest path. It is always okay. We are not choosing this path A to C and then C to B. We move towards the diagonal A to B because this is the shortest path always. Question number 4. This is the rectangle WX, YZ. You know the property of rectangle. Pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal. So WX is equal to YZ, XY is equal to WZ. You know very well. And the diagonals, length of the diagonals are equal. So ZX is equal to WY. The diagonal lengths are equal. So Zx is equal to Wy. So the question is, in the rectangle Wxyz, xy plus yz equal to 17 cm. What is xy and yz? Xy is a height, or we can take breadth. Xy is equal to breadth and yz is the length. So sum of length and breadth is equal to 17 cm. And then xz plus yw. What is xz and yw? Are the diagonals. Okay. So sum of the diagonals is equal to 26 cm. They are asking to find the length and the breadth of the rectangle WXYZ. It is very easy. First I am going to consider as 1 and 2. From 2, we can take xz is equal to yw because the length of the diagonals are equal. So zx is equal to wy means you can replace it xz plus instead of this yw again you can write xz because the lengths are equal is equal to 26. So 2 times xz is equal to 26. Therefore xz is equal to 13 cm. 1 time 13 times. Okay. If xz is equal to 13 means what about wy? That is also 13 cm. So zx plus wy is equal to 13 cm. And sum of the length and the breadth are given, that is equal to 17 cm from 1. xy plus yz is equal to 17. Okay. Actually, if you take this right triangle, this is 13. This is 13. Okay. By using Pythagoras theorem, so we can find the length and the breadth of this right triangle because it must be satisfied the Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem says the hypotenuse square is equal to 169. It is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. So it must be the 17 is the total length, you know. If you take this is 5, this is 12 means 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square value 25 and 12 square value 144. If you add them, you can get 169. It is the only way to find the length and the breadth. Okay, because the sum only given and we know the diagonal, actually the hypotenuse value. So hypotenuse square is equal to 169 means, so the remaining two sides length and breadth are 5 and 12 respectively. We can take, if you take this is the length means it is the breadth. It is breadth means it is length. Okay, so the length and breadth of rectangle WXYZ is 5 cm and 12 cm respectively.